Bururi wa Kenya riu uri mwerekera-ini wa gutaranirio na mabururi maria ng'u na maria mendagia maguta thoko-ini ya kimabururi kuona mehaririria ma wendia wa maguta maya ni marikitie gutirihwo na riu ikereka ria mbere ria wendia uyu rigakorwo rigitabanio muthenya wa Jumatatu kiumia twerekeire na kuria barrel 250 itanyitwo kwedio nje ya bururi.
This is a new business, and because it is a new business, we have to constantly do our role as the national government to educate, to inform as to what is happening.
Thirikari na kambuni iria ikoretwo igitwarithia na mbere mihango ya wenji wa maguta maya ya tall oil nirikitie kwanirira maguta macio magakorwo makienderio kambuni ya kuma bururi wa China na iria irakurikana ta China UK Limited, bururi ugitanya kuguneka na ciringi birioni 1.3 kumana na wendio uyu.
And the flagging off that's going to take place next week on Monday. And also what is happening with the pipeline on land acquisition, the environmental social impact assessment study, what are the opportunities for employment, for building of enterprises, and just what are the skills that will be required, and how can the national government work with the county government to make sure that this objective of ours to become a well-producing country is done in the shortest possible time with the least amount of friction.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya wenji wa maguta Andrew Kamau uria waritie hindi ya giikaro na atongoria kuma kaunti-ini ya Turkana akoiga kiria riu thirikari igukorwo ikireira makiria ni kunyihanyihia garama ya wenji o undu umwe na gutigirira maguta macio na mahota gukinya gicua-ini kwa ihinda inini o toria kwahoteka na niguo bururi uhote kuona kiguni kinene.
When the pipeline reaches Lamu in 2022, the whole country will benefit along with the people of Turkana.
Bururi wa Kenya wahithuririo tongo uyu wa maguta kuri mwaka-ini wa 2012 ukirikana gicigo giki gia Turkana kiri na utonga wa maguta ma muigana wa barells milioni 560. Muigai wa Gathongo, Kameme TV, Wonjoria.